Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your ZTE RedMagic 10R is on the blacklist. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page just like always, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on this site, and also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your device. So once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our device, as you can see, and now we need to scroll down. In here also you can read the basic information about your device. If you click on expand info, you'll see more. And if you are interested in full device specifications, simply click on this white button right in here or right in here on the top right corner. But we need to scroll a little bit more, and in here we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. When you want to use the free option, select right in here and click on blacklist, simple check. Now click on check blacklist status. Now we need to wait up to 20 seconds, but it should be a little bit faster. Alright, now we have our result, and as you can see this device is clean, so we have our confirmation that everything is fine. Below we can also see the brand, the model, the IMEI number, and the confirmation that the device is clean, and the date on which the report was created at. And also we have the Blacklist premium check. We can order it now from here, or also as we go back we can do it right here on the right side under the advanced checks. And as you can see, this option costs $4, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Below also, as you scroll down, you can see a comparison how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. You can see the differences in the reports, and as you scroll down a little bit more, actually it's everything in here. And if you are wondering what are the advantages of using the premium version of the blacklist check, you can click on read more. You can read everything in here about it. And when it comes to the advantages, here they are. For example, if your device is clean, the results contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, blacklisted on, or results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.